What's the meaning of against? Against. 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 Against is a preposition that usually means being in opposition to something or someone. It suggests a sense of conflict or contrast, where one thing is in opposition to another. When used as a preposition, against can also indicate physical contact or direction, such as leaning against a wall. In summary, against implies a negative relationship between two entities, either through opposition or physical contact. It can be used in various contexts, such as sports, politics, law, and personal relationships.